Bill Goudy checking in. I replaced that old Franklin stove. I got some chili going on here. That's one thing I do miss. I could cook in that Franklin stove, and I got to cook on top of this stove. And I had this Eco fan that I use for my buddy heaters. It all works out just perfect for this. And as well as I bought this heat reclaimer. I'll tell you, that just makes all the difference. It'll run you right out of here. I can't believe how much more efficient this stove is. But that's not what this video is about. No. This video is about my toy electric car I got when I was just a kid. I think I was 8 years old. When my uncle found this from a guy who worked at Wareco, who won it at a contest. And that's all I know. It didn't have any manufacturer's name or anything. I don't know anything about it. I found 2 of them on the internet. And they want $8,000 for them. They've been restored. But I believe this is a 55, it could be 53, I don't know, T-Bird. And I got it in 1968, somewhere around that time period. And the kid needed money, and my mom and dad bought it for me for my birthday. And I tell you what, I've had it ever since. As far as I know, it was running when we put it in the old garage. But, you know, it needs to be restored. I'm not sure if that's something I want to do. I'm not sure if I want to restore it or just sell it like it is and let someone else restore it. It's definitely heavy duty. It has an old car starter for a motor and runs on a regular 12-volt battery, and used for the accelerator, it had like a dimmer switch. But it was just a momentary dimmer switch. It didn't just lock on. I mean, when you push down, it went, and when you let off, it let off. So it'd be a lot like the switch that I have on my trolling motor. Pretty cool. This is before they had all the modern electric toys that they have today. That's for sure. This has got a fiberglass body. All metal construction chassis. The floor is wood. It is like a I don't know, I want to say a veneer or a you know, like a plywood type. I sure had a lot of fun with it over the years. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out for now.